Hi everyone! Welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on speed camera alerts in Waze. This feature allows you to receive both visual and audio warnings while you're driving, so you can stay aware of speed cameras and traffic light cameras on your route. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app and tap on the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, go into Settings. Next, look for the section called Map Display. Scroll down until you find Reports and tap on it. Here, you'll see different types of alerts that Waze can show while you're driving. Tap on Cameras and then select Speed Camera. Make sure the speed camera option is enabled. If the toggle is off, simply tap on it to turn it on. You will also notice a second option inside this section. If that one is disabled, make sure to activate it as well so you can receive alerts while you're driving. Now go back and repeat the same process for traffic light cameras. Open the option and make sure the toggle is enabled, so you can also get notified when there's a red light camera ahead. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on speed camera alerts in Waze.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.